Today, we will be going over how to install an Eco hitch on a Hyundai Ioniq 5. Using a trim removal tool or flathead screwdriver, remove the clips located at the bottom of the bumper. Then remove the panel. Remove the rear fender felt screws using a Phillips screwdriver on both sides of the vehicle. Open the liftgate, then use a trim removal tool to remove the taillight cover located on top of each taillight. Use a screwdriver to remove the hardware on the side of the taillight. Remove the plug in the taillight assembly, then remove the taillights. Remove the screws on both sides of the bumper. Remove the clips seated underneath the tail light assemblies. Before removing the bumper, use a pry tool to remove the fender trim. Carefully pull the bumper away from the vehicle and disconnect the wire harness plugs. It is recommended to have another person help support the bumper. Locate the mounting holes on each side of the vehicle and loosely secure both side plates to the frame using 3 bolt assemblies of an M12 lock washer, M12 flat washer, and an M12 hex bolt for each side plate. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the middle bumper cover support bracket shown in the instruction booklet. Lift and position the hitch cross tube into place. Starting from one side of the vehicle, insert a 1/2-inch bolt into each of the remaining side plate mounting holes. Then secure each of the bolts with a 1/2-inch lock washer and 1/2-inch hex nut. Torque the nuts to 64 foot-pounds and repeat these steps for the opposite side. The bumper cover will need to be trimmed to fit around the hitch. Use a reciprocating body saw or other method to cut the rear bumper cover as shown in your instructions. Reinstall all factory components with the original hardware in the reverse order of removal, and the installation is complete.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing TorqueLift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.